Ever wondered how ChatGPT knows what to say next? It's not magic, it's math. In this video, we'll break down large language models in the simplest way possible. A large language model, or LME, is an AI trained on billions of words from books, websites, and articles. It learns patterns in language, like which words typically follow each other. Think of it as an incredibly smart autocomplete system. When you type something, it predicts the next word by calculating probabilities. These aren't memorized responses, they're intelligent predictions based on patterns. LLMs learn through something called training. Imagine reading billions of sentences and learning how language works. The eye doesn't understand meaning like you do, it finds mathematical patterns. It learns that peanut butter often goes together, or that questions need answers. This happens through a process called transformer architecture, which identifies relationships between words, regardless of distance. Size matters. More training data and more computing power mean better predictions. ChatGPT was trained on 570 billion words. Larger models spot subtle patterns humans miss. They can write essays, code, explain concepts, and answer questions, not because they think, but because they've learned extremely detailed statistical patterns about how humans communicate. LLMs predict text they don't truly understand it. They can sound intelligent, but sometimes confidently say false things. They're pattern matching machines, not thinking machines. They can't access the internet. Understanding these limits helps us use them wisely. Now you understand how LLMs work. Hit subscribe for more I Explained Simply, and drop a comment. What topic should we break down next?